You know, when it comes to my daily wellness routine, I'm always on the lookout for products that not only make me feel good, but also taste great. Today, I want to introduce you to a little gem that I've been incorporating into my daily routine, the Pomegranate Collagen Jelly Stick. I've added the link in the description below if you want to get it. Okay, so let's talk about collagen. You've probably heard about it for your skin, hair, and nails. It's like the glue that holds our body together, and as we age, our collagen production decreases. But fear not, because this little jelly stick is here to stay. First off, the taste. Oh my goodness, it's like a burst of pomegranate goodness in every bite. It's like having a sweet treat, but with all the benefits packed in. No more choking down pills or tasteless supplements. It's like a natural beauty boost. I've noticed my skin feeling more hydrated and looking smoother, and my hair and nails, they're growing stronger and healthier than ever. But it's not just about the external benefits. Collagen is fantastic for your joints too. I've been feeling more energetic, which is essential for keeping up with my busy lifestyle and workouts. Just tear it open and you're good to go. No mess, no fuss. That pomegranate flavor never gets old. So, if you're looking for an easy and delicious way to boost your beauty and wellness, I highly recommend giving these pomegranate collagen jelly sticks a try. They've become a staple in my diet, and I think you'll love them as much as I do. Cheers to healthy, glowing skin and an energetic life. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so it'll motivate me to do more. Thanks for watching!